A minor magnitude 3.2 earthquake struck near Sukorejo, Pacitan Regency, Indonesia on February 4, 2026 at 7:01 local time, or on February 4, 2026 at 0:01 Coordinated Universal Time. As reported by the BMKG on its website, the earthquake was located at a shallow depth of 62.0 kilometers below the surface, at coordinates latitude -8.74 and longitude 111.2. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Towns or cities near the epicenter include Pacitan, East Java, Indonesia, located 71 kilometers from epicenter. The recommended course of action is to be vigilant for possible aftershocks that may occur. Let's pray that the earthquake does not have a major impact on our brothers and sisters there, and that no further earthquakes occur. Amen.